Good morning, good morning. You know what time it is? It is Temu time. Temu time. Yes, it is. It's so much fun with Temu. Always has something for everyone. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about our Temu shopping trip today, and it's brought to you by my daughter's channel. Blossom your creativity. Don't forget to go check her out. She's a crafting channel, but you know her crafting friends don't want to look at her shopping hauls, so she lets me do it on my channel. So you know Grandma's always happy to do that. A post that cost me no money at all. Now, let's go see what she got. And here's my daughter's channel, Blossom Your Creativity. She is the one that's paying for all these beautiful Temu shopping haul videos. She's buying it, she's paying for it, and she's letting Grandma put it up on her channel for free. Yes. But let's live in the real world. My friends are used to lots of different content on my channel, and they'll come over and watch my stuff. My daughter's a crafting channel most of the time. And because of that, they don't usually like to watch shopping hauls, but my friends do. So that's why I get to do it. But my daughter does more than just DIY projects. As you're going to look at this playlist, what does she do on the playlist? Lots of different things. She's done some beautiful displays for Valentine's. Of course, she has her DIY ideas and whimsical decor, vignettes, and tea party decor. Now, you can see there's quite a bit here. There was 17 videos on tea parties. If you want to get a little inspiration for tea parties, go check it out. Then we have 35 videos on vignette displays, another thing to check out. And whimsical decor, 21 videos. And of course, you know she's a DIY channel, 74 videos on DIYs. And we have 5 on some Valentine inspiration. So go check them out. Next week, we'll go see what else she's done. We want to make this too long. Now let's go see what she bought this week. My daughter finds the cutest things on Temu. I am so impressed by this for the holidays. Not quite sure what she's going to do with this. Maybe be on her fireplace mantle or on a centerpiece in her dining room. I'm sure she'll have it decorated so cute for Christmas. What do you think? Finished off very, very nice. And 2 little tiny houses that I could use in a fairy garden, or we can use it for a Christmas display. Maybe the stars live there. They have little stars on their door, and there's a pair of them. It would make a great little display, don't you think? For my fairy garden or for a Christmas display. But they're super cute, so well made. They light up. They're finished on all 4 sides. Well, not all 4 sides. They're sides. See, this one's finished, and this one's finished. So both sides, so it's 3 sides that it's finished, but they do light up. But we would need someplace dark for you could see that. But they're super cute, and they can be used in lots of different ways. Grandma would use them in a fairy garden. I'm sure my daughter will use them in a display. And she may very well repaint them and redo them and make them look fabulous. You know my daughter's very crafty. Well, we're finally at the end of our Temu shopping trip this week. Can you believe she got all this? Oh my gosh, I can't believe it either. Well, I'm not even quite sure what she's going to be using this for, but I would assume some displays in the kitchen. Because she does a lot of fake food, and I don't know for sure if that's what she's going to use it for, that's what I would think. Some kind of displays that will look fabulous, I'm sure. And of course, she's got some 2 different size mixers. One is sort of small, not too small, but small, and one bigger. So they both look super cute. Don't know if they really work or if she's just going to use them for display purposes only. They're made for children, so I wouldn't think you'd really be able to make much in them because of that. But they're super cute, and I can't wait to see the displays and how she's going to use them. Then she got this over here, is going to be doing some kind of work with this. And she does a lot of stuff in the kitchen for display purposes, and I'm sure that's what this is for. She's got some more cutters to cut, looks like flowers, but I could be wrong. Could be used for cookies. I'm not quite sure what these are, but there's some kind of molds. And, you know, I'm not very good at telling what molds are without really seeing what they do. And here's another one, a pink one. Now, she's got two white ones that are the same. Don't know what they are. Give her a doggone message. Debbie, what are you going to do with those molds, and what were they? I'm sure she knows perfectly well what everything is used for. I thought she got some great stuff this week. Let us know what you thought. What was your favorite thing she picked up? Well, you know, the one thing I may have to have her order for me is that doggone Alice in Wonderland flag. That was my favorite piece that I need to get. I'm not quite sure if there's anything else that I really have to get, because I've got to cut down on how much I'm spending and how much I'm buying. There is a limit to how much stuff I can have in this tiny house. She's got a bigger house, and she's got bigger spaces to store stuff than me. Well, thanks so much, my dear friends, for stopping by and seeing what my daughter Debbie from Blossoming Your Creativity did this week on her Temu, can't even get it set out today, Temu shopping trip. So let me know what you thought. Leave me a comment in the comment section, or I can run back over to your channel and leave you a comment. And if you don't have a channel, thanks for stopping by, just for the sheer joy of being friends with Grandma. Don't forget my daughter's channel now. I keep telling you, these items that you saw today, they were all bought and paid for by my daughter, Blossom Your Creativity. And these were a free post for Grandma because I didn't spend any money for anything. But Grandma might have to buy that flag. Well, see you next week and see what we have to share next week.
Thank you so much, my dear friends, for stopping by for Temu Time. We really enjoy sharing with you all the wonderful things that my daughter picks up at Temu. As you can see, she is a power shopper when it comes to Temu. And we usually try to put up a video once a week. As long as that daughter of mine is purchasing from Temu, I'm sure we're going to have lots of things to share. Don't forget, it's a wonderful place to shop. And if you don't want just things for home decor, they have clothes, they have toys, they have fairy items, and of course, they have crafting. They have something for everyone. Thanks for stopping by.